Stop buying mesh cases for better airflow. Most people think mesh equals perfect cooling, right? Wrong. You've been lied to. Aggressive mesh designs aren't always superior for every component. Your high-end GPU might actually suffer. But here's the shocking truth. A well-designed tempered glass case can outperform a poorly configured mesh one. Case design and fan setup matter more than just panel material. Many modern GPUs, especially high-wattage ones, need specific direct airflow patterns. Solid front panel with side vents, combined with strong intake fans, can create better directed pressure. This pushes air exactly where your GPU needs it most. Some cases with tempered glass actually have superior internal layouts, focusing airflow directly onto heat-generating components like your CPU cooler and GPU. This can drop temps by 5–10 degrees Celsius on your GPU hotspot. Before buying, research internal airflow pads and fan mounting options, not just front panel material. Always check reviews with thermal benchmarks for your specific components. Is your Airflow King mesh case actually choking your GPU?